Cross River Rail spans from Dutton Park to Bowen Hills. It includes twin 5.9 kilometre tunnels and 4 new underground stations.
The first CBD train station to be built in more than 120 years, Albert Street will improve connectivity to the southern part of the city centre, providing easy access to Queen Street Mall, City Botanic Gardens, Queen's Wharf and Eagle Street Business District. Albert Street Station will be the deepest of the 4 new underground stations. The new platform will stretch 220 metres beneath Albert Street from Elizabeth Street to Mary Street.
Hello, my name's Andrew Hogarth. I'm the Senior Project Engineer for the Albert Street Station Cross River Rail project. Out here at Albert Street, we're excavating about 50 metres down below ground level. As we continue to excavate, we've got instrumentation and monitoring in both the shaft as well as the surrounding streets and the surrounding buildings.
Our initial form of excavation in Lot 1 was through large excavators. We've now reached the level on site where we predicted to encounter the harder and tougher rock. This is the area where we were planning to move over to more productive excavation methodologies such as drill and blasting.
Hi, my name is Linus. I'm a project engineer for the Cross River Rail project in the Tunnel and Stations team. Drilling and blasting involves drilling of blast holes. Blast holes are then filled with small amount of explosives. We're covering that blast with blasting mats and we're firing it from a safe distance. The benefits of blasting instead of hammering is that it shortens the duration and lessens the impact on the community.
Controlled blasting involves the safe use of small explosive charges to excavate areas of hard rock. Firstly, an underground log hole rig is used to drill a series of holes where the charge is placed. Then a small amount of explosives is loaded into each hole. Safety is central to the controlled blasting process, and a range of measures are used to control the blast. Up to 2 metres of gravel can be used to contain pressure, and sandbags are also used to secure blast mats. Electronic detonators connect the charges together. Before the charges are detonated, we implement additional measures to ensure worker and community safety. These typically include pre-blast sirens and exclusion zones. The charges are detonated under the blast mat in a timed sequence, and the broken rock is removed. Controlled blasting helps reduce reliance on continuous rock hammering, resulting in faster production with lower impact. This benefits both our workforce and the surrounding community.
Local residents and businesses within 200 metres of the blast can expect to feel a rolling thunder sort of sound and some slight vibrations, and that's completely normal and completely expected with this type of blasting. For our blasting, we'll be implementing some controlled exclusion zones around Albert and Mary Street intersection. This is just to ensure the safety of public and the businesses and residents in the nearby area. This will go on from a couple of minutes before the blast to a couple of minutes after the blast, just to make sure that the area is clear and there's no risk to anyone in the area. For your safety, we encourage you to follow the directions of the traffic controllers that we'll have set up at the control points.
Register for SMS notifications to receive alerts ahead of controlled blast times. Email your name and phone number to crossriverrail@cbgujv.com.au.